Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make chocolate mousse. In order to make that, you will need 1 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 egg whites, and 1/3 cup of simmering milk. The first step is to take a blender and pour in the chocolate chips, the sugar, the milk, and the vanilla extract. Blend those together, and when you blended those together, add in the 3 egg whites. And blend those till it gets nicely mixed in. After the egg whites and the chocolate have got to mix together, then it's good to serve, and you can put it in bowls and serve it to other people with whipped cream or raspberries and blueberries.